Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to post on Instagram story without losing quality. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll share if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now, first and foremost, now head over to your Instagram. Okay, so let's head over to our Instagram. So now on your Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand side of your screen. Tap on it, then tap on this three line icon, okay, at the top right hand of your screen again. After tapping on it, now tap on settings and privacy. Okay, so now after tapping on settings and privacy, now search data, just search data, and you see this data usage and media quality. Okay, tap on it, then now you see this media upload quality. Okay, so now select upload at highest quality. Okay, just turn this on. Okay, so guys, now whenever you're uploading on Instagram, this will upload at the highest quality. Your stories will be at the highest qualities. Okay, so you won't be having like low quality images or so when you upload on Instagram story. Okay, so guys, that's how to upload stories on Instagram without losing the quality. So guys, before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.